Easy and efficient wiring are key to keeping panel building cost-effective when coupled with connections that are reliable and can be effectively tested and checked during operation. Weidmuller Klippon Connect SNAP IN terminal blocks, available from Mouser Electronics, feature Weidmuller's intuitive SNAP IN technology that allows for fast and tool-free connection of flexible and fine-stranded conductors with or without a wire and ferrule. They also support automated installation, wiring, marking, and testing for greater cost efficiency in high-volume applications. The preloaded SNAP IN spring connection has a very low mating force while providing audible feedback and a gas-tight connection. Klippon Connect SNAP IN terminal blocks are offered in a variety of configurations that can accommodate conductor cross-sections up to 4 square millimeters, providing a current rating up to 32 amps. They're also compatible with Klippon Connect A-series accessories.